Welcome to Julie the Thrifty Designer. Today I am showing you my fireplace and how I have decorated all of this area for Christmas. As you can see behind me, it's a very snowy day, so the lighting is probably not the best for everything, but I hope you'll get a lot out of my video. It sure is pretty out there, and it makes you in the mood for Christmas. Well, guys, here is just a overview of what I have done for my fireplace and TV wall for Christmas. I'm going to take you in closer and show you each shelf a lot closer up. But I think it sure looks pretty. And that's a beautiful screensaver on YouTube. And it just has like 2 or 3 different Santa Clauses. I think it looks so pretty. And as you can see, it's right here next to the bay window. So very, very pretty. On this shelf, I am doing an English blue and white dish theme. And I've just simply put a candle coming out of this on a book, very English. I think it's very pretty with a wreath and red berries. And then a ginger jar pitcher. Hi, guys. Picture. There, I think it really looks pretty. And in front of it, to help with the meaning of Christmas, Santa Claus kneeling over the baby Jesus, truly worshiping the Lord. That's what Christmas is all about. I painted this Santa set a long time ago, but I think it's really a beautiful thing. Then on this shelf, I just simply have put a nativity. Isn't it absolutely beautiful? Steve got this for me, my late husband, years ago for Christmas one year. I am so grateful to have it. It is such a gorgeous set. But it looks like his leg is broken. Oh no, I didn't realize that. How sad. I'll have to see if I can find it in the bottom of the box somewhere. Jesus is not supposed to have a broken leg. How sad is that? But isn't it pretty? He's got just, even put a chicken in there. And the sheep. And there's a very old cow from an antique set I just set in there. And then this one came with it, this set. And then I have the wise men here, bringing their gold, frankincense, and myrrh. And again, another old camel from an older set. And up there, I just simply put a star above the stable. Such a pretty set. Top shelf on here is actually just my cake topper that I had for Tony and I's wedding. And all I simply did was just put some greenery and some red berries around it. And it instantly has taken on a beautiful Christmas feel. In this top corner, I just have a simple sleigh that I've put a plant in, and it's the garden ball. Of course, it's fake. And just a real simple red bow. But it's very festive, I feel like. Then I have this little cubby, which is actually right next to the nativity. As you can see up there's the things I'm referring to. And again, just a simple, beautiful dish cap with some greenery and a beautiful little lamp that holds a candle. And it's right here next to my bay window. Boy, the lighting sure messes up when I do it that way. And my pretty plants, or not plants, plates. Learn to speak sometime. And then from there over, it's just another shelf. A couple of books. The Bible, of course. And some greenery. And a candle. I've got to get batteries for my candles, and I have not done that yet. And then straight down below that, it's just a simple little one of those paper plates and some greenery and a candle. And I'm sure you all have seen this thing. It's a screen that I can pull across in front of my window here to keep the animals out. But the animal I had that used to jump up in the window, that she was kind of destructive on a lot of things. We actually ended up just getting rid of her recently. Somebody took her and they were giving her a much happier home. So I'm not probably going to use that as much now as I was using it. But this is how this corner of the room is looking. The sun is starting to come out now and it's looking not as gloomy. And just my simple window nook. Cats get up in there and mess my pillows up all the time. But I think it looks very beautiful. I'll show the other side next. Right, and then here's my fireplace part. I think it's very pretty. I just kept it really simple this year, and I love how it looks. It's just old-fashioned, and it just brings a little joy to my heart because it feels so Christmassy. And then here's another view of that wonderful screensaver. It's gorgeous. I love it. Changed pictures just all of a sudden. Pretty neat. I like the other picture better though. But it looks nice. And up here I just have this simple sign that's up year-round, blessed. And in the background you can maybe slightly see a little of the orange. It's where I actually keep my wedding bouquet. But for Christmas I just added some greenery and some red berries to go with our theme. And it looks very pretty. And then I duplicated on the other side the same thing with the sleigh and the garden ball and a red bow. I think it looks very pretty. This shelf, I have a cutout. I think I had gotten this cutout from Hobby Lobby a few years ago. Think I can remember? Not really. But it sure works here. And it does help us to remember Jesus is the reason for the season. And again, I just added a little bit of the blue and white to go with the greenery for this year's cottage theme. Hello again, guys. On this shelf, it really is just my clock and a bunch of greenery and a candle and then a big version of Santa worshiping the baby Jesus. It's so beautiful. Think I can remember where that came from? Nope. Not a clue. But it is gorgeous. And we're right here next to the TV. It's all pulled together. I think it's so pretty. And then the Cubbies off to the side. I have an antique concertina that was my aunt and uncle's, and some books and some berries and greenery. Very fitting, very pretty. And then same type of thing. A beautiful container with a candle in it, a couple of books, and greenery. And next to it, one of those paper plate, again, that I just stuck on a plate. I have a mirrored side. See, it's got it on this side just like the other side. And I think it looks really pretty. And then down a little bit lower, behind the antique sled, again, I've put in some books and greenery and and one of those paper plates, but it gives the feeling of the blue and white china that what I'm trying to achieve this year for Christmas. And then right here is the sleigh, my antique sled, and a candle holder. And I think it just takes on an old-fashioned Christmas feel. I like how it looks for Christmas. Just love how the fireplace turned out. Now I'm going to show you pictures of what it's like at night. You will also see later on in another video, right in this corner is where I'm going to be putting up my Christmas tree. I definitely liked the other Santa picture better than this one, but I just think it all has come together beautifully for a English cottage feel. I like how it is. And it's not hard to do. It really is just a few pieces with greenery. And it just has taken on a really old-fashioned English cottage Christmas feel. Well, I hope this inspired you to figure out how to make an old-fashioned feeling Christmas. Back to the roots of what Christmas really is all about. It's about Jesus and what he has done for us. He was born for this. 'Tis the season, 'tis the reason. Jesus died on the cross for our sins, and he came alive again. That is why Jesus was born, was so we can tie it together to Easter. But Jesus is the reason for this season. And I hope that you were able to find some really nice things that you can incorporate into your home. I have chosen an English cottage feel for Christmas this year. Well, that's kind of how I'm decorating my house year round now. But I hope that you will find inspiration and that you will have the most amazing Christmas possible for you. That you will enjoy your holidays with your family and friends, and keeping in mind the real reason for Christmas. So thanks for watching, guys. Y'all take care, and God bless, and happy decorating, and Merry Christmas. Stay tuned for when I upload more videos. It is gorgeous out here. This is what we consider a Christmas snow. And I haven't even had a chance to get out here and actually decorate for Christmas yet. And he's out there shoveling. He's such a good man that way. I can be sure that he's gonna shovel the walks. He seems to enjoy doing walk shoveling. And I thank him very much for shoveling the walks. But you can see, as soon as he wipes it, how the snow is already starting to recover the ground that he just shoveled. I wonder how deep this is going to get. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous.